Universal Health Coverage UHC nurses staged a protest at Parliament on Tuesday, calling on the Senate to address their long-standing grievances. The workers, who have been on strike since mid-February, are demanding permanent and pensionable employment after years of working on contracts. Senators Boni, Khalwale and Mohamed Chute received their petition and pledged to advocate for a swift resolution. The prolonged strike has disrupted healthcare services nationwide, increasing the pressure on the government to act. Here is that report from our reporter Florence Simi.
After weeks of demonstrations without resolution, universal health coverage workers escalated their protests, marching to Parliament once again to demand urgent Senate intervention. The striking workers vowed not to return to work until both national and county government addressed their concerns. They also criticized lawmakers for failing to allocate funds necessary for their permanent employment. Frustrated by the lack of progress, the workers accused various government institutions, including the House of Representatives, the Public Service Commission, and the Council of Governors, of blocking their demands. They argue that the core issue lies in Parliament and the Senate's failure to allocate their necessary budget to transition them into permanent and pensionable positions.
Yote kwa ujumla, ukienda Afya House wanakubaliana na sisi, ukienda Public Service Commission wanakubaliana na sisi, COG wanakubaliana na sisi. Shida ni nini? Shida inakuwa ni Senate na Parliament kutoweka pesa kwa budget ya kuabsorb hao watu.
In addition to job security, the workers are also calling for salary harmonization in line with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission's guidelines. However, the Public Service Commission has maintained that continuing to work under the current condition is a violation of regulations.
Public Service Commission imeandika barua ikasema kuendelea kuweka katika hizi kandarasi ni kinyume na sheria. Serikali yenyewe imesema hivyo. Tunashangaa saa hizi wanahitaji tu bilioni 2 kuwaweka kwa permanent and pensionable kuanzia hii mwezi ya April. Bilioni 2 inaweza shinda serikali ya Kenya.
As tensions rise, Kakamega Senator Boni, Khalwale and Marsabit Senator Mohamed Chute have pledged to advocate for workers and push for a resolution.
Parliamentary processes take a little bit of time. Your process is being processed. Number 2, this is the right time because we have now started the budget cycle. We are speaking to something called budget policy statement.
Wale watu wangefaa kutetea nyinyi, saa hii wamefichika kwa hiyo nyumba, wako hapo wameshikana wakisema UDA na UDM, ODM. Sasa sisi ambaye tunaogopa Mwenyezi Mungu ndio tutawatetea mpaka haki yenu ipatikane.
I want to assure you kwamba if health workers are not catered for, it doesn't matter the amount of English people will speak to universal health care. It cannot work without you people.
Meanwhile, the prolonged strike has severely impacted hospital services nationwide, straining healthcare delivery. Despite the government's request for 21 days to address their demands, the striking workers remain firm, insisting they will not return to work until their grievances are fully resolved. Reporting for Tandao News Outlook at 1, I'm Florence Simiyu.